Most Gen Z adults think budgeting means giving up everything they enjoy. But that's completely wrong. In this video, I'll show you a simple budgeting system that can help you take control of your money, even if you're starting with almost nothing. Here are 3 people making the exact same salary. One spends everything, one hoards every penny, and one follows a simple budget. After 1 year, the spender is broke, the hoarder is stressed and miserable, but the budgeter has savings, investments, and peace of mind. The difference isn't how much they earn. Let's be honest, most of us have no clue where our money goes. Your paycheck vanishes in days. Rent, food, coffee, Netflix, Uber, shopping, subscriptions. These small expenses create lifestyle inflation. You don't feel it, but your wallet sure does. Here's the simplest framework, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% to needs like rent, groceries, utilities. 30% to wants like dining out and entertainment. 20% to savings like your emergency fund and investments. On $3,000 a month, that's $1,500 needs, $900 wants, $600 savings. Simple. Now the sneaky budget killers. That $6 coffee? $2,160 a year. $15 food delivery? $5,400 a year. Gaming, impulse buys, streaming you never watch. Over $12,000 a year wasted. Your budget is a leaky bucket. Money pours in and leaks right out. Before you invest, build an emergency fund. It's your financial shield. Flat tire? Medical bill? Broken phone? Without savings, it all goes on credit cards, meaning high interest debt. Start with $500. Build to $1,000. Then aim for 3 to 6 months expenses. Even $25 a week adds up fast. You don't need thousands to start investing. Time is your superpower. Invest just $100 a month starting at 22, and watch compound growth work its magic. Start with index funds, they let you own hundreds of companies at once. Diversify your eggs. Start early, stay consistent, think long-term. Returns are never guaranteed, but time is on your side. You don't need a fancy app. A spreadsheet works great. Your banking app can track spending. Or try dedicated budget apps. Even a plain notebook works. The best tool is the one you'll actually use. Set it up, check weekly, adjust monthly. My challenge to you. For 30 days, track every single expense. Every coffee, every subscription, every impulse buy. You'll find at least $200 you can cut. Awareness equals control. This one habit can change everything. Remember our broke stickman? Look at him now. Savings, investments, emergency fund, peace of mind. Budgeting isn't about perfection. It's about giving every dollar a job. Start small. Stay consistent. Let time work for you. Subscribe for more. What's the hardest part about budgeting? Tell me below.